Hey guys, it's me again, and I was watching a Dennis Daily / Pals video, and I was looking at the up next area, and I saw this by Sketch. Simon says, "Don't listen to Simon." Okay, well let's do what Dennis would do, and try to understand what that means. If you aren't gonna listen to Dennis, then, if you aren't going to listen to Simon, then you're basically listening to Simon when Simon says don't listen to Simon. Which means that everyone would either win or lose. So yeah, that's that. I was thinking of playing, a game I haven't played for a while, but then I got a new idea, and that was to play Restaurant Tycoon. So I'm going to be playing Restaurant Tycoon today. I was going to play Build a Cake or something like that. I don't know what it was actually called. Yeah, that's a thing. But, today I'm going to be playing Restaurant Tycoon. Now, I made my Restaurant Tycoon, Uma themed? I don't know how to say this. It's called Ursula's Fish and Chips, and that's based on Descendants too. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. I love Descendants too much. I really should change my title of my channel to Descendants Lover, but I won't because my name is Catherine Miller, and so I'm gonna keep it Catherine Miller until I decide otherwise. So if my thing is not Catherine Miller anymore, and if this is just like 2 years in the future and I'm looking back, that is why my name is not Catherine Miller anymore. But if it is still Catherine Miller, don't pay attention to what I just said. And it always takes a while to load in first. Oh, but let's see who I'm playing against. Ooh, you have a lot of money. I bet that I can get more than that person. How do I know? Because I already had more than that person. So yeah, that's fun. Oh, I already know that this person speaks Spanish. Hola, no soy español. No hablo español. No hablo español. I don't even know how to spell español. So yeah, I'm making a video on this again. Well, not really again, but yeah, you guys ready to watch me play a game? Hopefully, if this game will load. Yes, finally. Something you might want to work on, whoever played this game, is making it load more properly. I don't know what word is. Loading excessive. 1 out of 16. Oh. I'll be back when it's at 16 out of 16. Okay, finally. I think I'm gonna select this pot, I guess. Let's select, and let's load Ursula's Fish and Chips, because I've done really well with oh yeah, I'm first place with money so far. Now all I have to do is make it open my place up. Restaurant, open. Okay. Turn on autosave. Okay, that's good. That's good for now. I'm just gonna give you a tour of my thing. I have like supposed to have 2 waiters. Is that one of my waiters out there? Really, what are you doing out there? Here's, you better come inside, waiter. Here's my, hot drinks person. Oh no, there's my waiter. Who was that out there then? Oh, it's probably just loading wrong. Here's my 2 cookers. I tried to make it look like Ursula's kitchen. I hope it worked well in your, opinion. Really, there's like nothing to do once you have your people working and everything. Except you must come back and check every once in a while to pick up the money and tips, because otherwise your tables won't be able to be like used or anything, or whatever it's called. I'm gonna go check this person over here. real quick, before we begin, checking out this place, Crazy Cat, wow, a few minutes ago, one of these people had negative 17. How do you get negative 17? Just wondering, but if you guys know, please tell me, because that's just, weird. Okay, there's no cooks besides her, so she probably wasted all her money. That's nice. Jason, you don't have the place yet. You need to work on that, boy. Oh, and you just died. That's nice. Beat. Oh, nice name, guy. Who I don't know. Just met you. I really don't want to talk about it. Oh, collect dishes. I want to collect your dishes. Let's collect dishes. Please be all you're gonna eat. No, it's not what you're gonna eat. I am not gonna work on my own place. Thank you very much. Hello, you can come in. I'm not gonna be your waiter. You have enough waiters. Okay, let's collect this table's dishes. Sorry, waiter. Dishes. And collect. There we go. So now we have a free table. Waiters, you can take care of that. Oh no, Long BJ has a lot of money. That's great. Now I'm not the first person to have money. Oh no! Look, he's just like eating food in front of them. And he's just like, why are you eating food in front of me? He's just like, he's just like, I don't know. I can't see his smile. I think he's smiling. I think it's the same face as this guy does. Are you guys twins or something? Except you guys wear different clothes and dye each other's hair. Are you two twins? Because you're like, wear the same color. I must get money from you guys. I must get money. Money. Oh gosh, look how much OnBJ has worked. Look how much money, diamonds and money OnBJ has. That is seriously amazing, you guys. That is amazing. A big hand clap, pat on the back, and shout out, OnBJ. Seriously, that is a lot. But you never know, Bree might have more. Let's see. She might have less, she might have more. I'm thinking of making a, oh gosh, what is it called? Whatever it's called, I'm thinking of starting it. The problem is, I don't know how. So, hello Bree. I hope you get a successful business. I wish if you got good. I wish if you were good in this game, you got Robux in real life. That would be so good. But it's probably not gonna happen. So it's just me fantasizing, but please Roblox. Please. I'm broke and I want Robux, but I don't want to spend money. Why'd you have to get rid of ticks? I wasn't even here for the real tixing, or I wasn't really old enough to start using ticks or anything. I want ticks. Let's bring ticks back. I don't have a car. I'm just gonna go on a journey. Let's go on a journey, guys. Woohoo. La 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 la. So this game's kind of fun. It's fun when you have like friends playing, and you're like, okay, who can make the better store, me or you? Or whatever it's called. Who can make the better restaurant? I wonder if there's a store tycoon thingy. I wonder. Oh, I need to collect. Okay, collect now. I can get more money later. Oh, yay! Diamonds. I love the diamond tips. Yay! I got more money than on BJJ. Do 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 do. Bree Bree. Bree Bree, is that you, Bree Bree? Bree Bree? Why do you have no money? Bree Bree! Did you spend all your money? You need to change your name. Bree Bree, why do you guys spend all your money on big places? You can buy big places later. Come on, Bree Bree. Oh, my example. Please. I'm doing really good. Oh, wow, I can walk through her customers. That is cool. If you guys want to join me in a game one day, that'll be nice. Just tell me what time you're available to play, and I'll call it back, because I'm always free for commenting. Oh wow, that gave me 3 diamonds. That's nice. I have more money than on BJJ. I have more money than on BJJ. I have more money than on BJJ. This really isn't a competition, but okay, I'm gonna get back to you when there's something cool happening. So the video is gonna be cut right about. Okay, guys, my game's glitching, so if I pause, it's gonna glitch out on me again, most likely. So here's King J's Cafe. Here's JJ's Cafe. Looks really cool. There's no tables inside, they're all outside. But the tables are really comfy, I'll give you that. Good job, JJ, I just wish your insides were so empty. I feel your place is empty inside. I feel like it's empty inside. That was a horrible joke. I know, everyone. Horrible joke alert. Ooh, let's see. Do you actually have these? Okay, another wish I could have is that we could actually buy food at other people's tycoons. That would be nice. Just, ideas. You know, for stuff. Okay, I'll be back at you or something. You know what, guys? I'm getting really tired, so I think I'm gonna go and take a rest right at my house. Before I go to bed, though, everyone knows that you must take a bath. So here I am, taking my bath. The light's on. I wonder if I can make it bubbly. Let's see here. Is there a way to make it bubbly? Ugh. Is there no way to make it bubbly? I want bubbles. Please tell me there's a way to make it bubbly. Yes, there's a way to fill it up more. I want to overflow. I'm drowning. I'm drowning, guys. I'm drowning. Okay, I need to get out of the bathtub. I'm drowning. I'm just gonna use the restroom in here real quick. I'm gonna pretend that I didn't just drown. Oh well. Overflow the bathtub. I'm just gonna put some clothing on. I'm gonna put on my pajamas. Just my usual purple pajamas. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go to bed. And now I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Or you'll hear me in my next video. Anyways, bye!